Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can earn $1,000 per day with the help of affiliate marketing. Yes, you are listening right. Okay. But yes, before going ahead, those people who are watching me for the very first time, I'm Tapesh from DotCom, and in this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, passive income, entrepreneurship, and how you can build your online empire over online. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe and also press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos, I can send notification to you people. And yes, before jumping into the whole main topic, just understand the basic concept why affiliate marketing is most important and how you can generate good amount of money with the help of affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing industry is huge. If you go through any of the biggest industries, biggest companies specifically, you will have that option to become an affiliate of that particular company, and you can literally make good amount of sales if you are putting efforts every single day and you have some strategies, some skills, and you can really make good amount of money. And yes, to earn $1,000 you have to select a product which is $1,000 or maybe which is very close to $1,000. In this particular video, I'll show you what product you have to choose and how you can drive traffic. Not exactly drive traffic, I'll show you the whole conceptual things, how you can build your own empire basically, and you can really learn good amount of things. Make sure you people watch the complete video so that you can go through the whole process, you can understand how things work and how you can really make good amount of impact in your life. Right. Also, before jumping into the main whole thing, I would like to say one more very important thing why people are failing in affiliate marketing. Number one reason, they are not creating an impact, they are not creating an authority in their own niche, in their own industry, in their own way, and this is why they are not able to build a trust. And before buying anything, people will buy you, then they will buy your product, they will buy your affiliate services, whatever you are promoting, they will buy you. So make sure you build a trust with your connection, with your particular audience, then you promote them offer, or then you promote your affiliate, any of your service, whatever it may be. Apart from that, people are not picking high ticket products. High ticket products are very important, guys. If you are in the mindset that you will just make some commissions, then you will ended up failing and doing some other things, then that's completely okay. But if you want to be in the market, if you want to create a sustainable profitable income for your whole life, maybe if you work for maybe couple of hours per day, but at the end of the year, if you want to generate great an amount of money, then focus on high ticket and recurring particular recurring offers which are going to give you revenue every single month. Recurring commission are very important if you want to sustain for a long time, because if you don't want to put you any effort on that particular business also, then also you will generate money. All right, so now I'll show you how you can pick a product and how you can build your first $1,000 of commission in few days if you follow the same strategies. All right, now I'll show you exactly how you can earn $1,000, approximately $1,000 every single day. Okay, so before going ahead, those people who don't know what is .com secret. .com secret is a free ebook, and yes, they are providing like shipping also, and for that you just have to pay the shipping amount, and it is highly recommended. If you just go through the ebook also, you will learn lot of things, and this particular book is provided by ClickFunnels, Russell Brunson, and he is a great internet marketer. Okay, so this particular product is provided by ClickFunnels, and as I said, this particular ebook is really awesome, and you can just go through and you can just learn. And yes, as I said in all my videos, before promoting any of the affiliate products, make sure you go through the reviews, make sure you use this particular product. And to be very honest with you guys, whatever product I promote, whatever product, majority of the product, almost 99% of the product apart from some product of clickbank which I'm promoting on health and fitness niche or maybe relationship niche, that I don't test. But yeah, I just check whether they have a very good reviews, they have people are buying or something. Like I do some very good research, I spend time on research, and majority of the product what I am promoting is mainly different kind of courses or mainly different kind of funnel building things or somewhere which I do in daily life. Okay, so I promote this kind of product what I am using. And yes, this is one of the product .com secret, and which I went through that particular ebook. And yes, you will learn lot of things. I highly recommend you just go through the ebook once. It is a free and you are not paying anything. Okay, so if I go to the affiliate structure of that particular program .com secret, currently I am in my affiliate dashboard of clickfunnels, and this is my clickfunnel affiliate link. Anyway, so if I just go through the affiliate structure, so if you see the structure is .com secret, that book is free and you are earning $1. Okay, so this is pretty much like if you are offering anyone a free ebook, then if they buy, and you might earn some amount of money, but this is not the goal. The goal is in the back end. Okay, and clickfunnel, they have in .com secret especially they have different of upselling modules. Like for example, like the black box, those people who has downloaded the .com secret book, and Russell Brunson and his team is very great in terms of doing upselling. And yes, if you have seen Russell Brunson, you know his sales speech, the way he speaks, the way he motivates people, the way he turns a visitor into customer is really awesome. Okay, I'm personally learning a lot of things from him. And yes, I'll also share my resource, how I learned, where I learned. And my goal is to give you people a lot of value, so that you people also can earn the same thing. This is not actually any kind of make money online kind of stuff what you can do overnight. It will take a long time, but yes, if you are consistent enough, if you are dedicated, if you want to change your life, this can change your life. It's not only this particular offer. If you follow the same kind of strategies what other people are doing, then you can really impact on your life. Seriously, I'm saying. Anyways, if I talk about this particular program .com secret, you are giving anyone for free of cost. Then if the person has decided to go for black box, or maybe if the person has decided for 3 funnel bundle, or maybe if the person has decided for other programs like audiobook, or maybe kind of traffic secret, there are different kind of courses which are upselling. Okay, and yes, understand the total potential earning of this particular offer, that is $967. That is pretty much high, and this is high ticket offer what you can generate in terms of revenue. And yes, as I said, ClickFunnels is providing 40% of commission, that is recurring commission, that is every single month you will get, and it is completely passive. You just make a sale maybe today, and you will get revenue throughout the time the person is using ClickFunnels. And this person is using different of other his products, maybe ClickFunnels product or Russell Brunson's product, whatever. Okay, so this is very easy, and you can literally make good amount of money if you are promoting high ticket products. Okay, as I said, and understand one thing, it is very common that not everyone will buy different kind of things. But if you think, like if you are driving 100 people who has just signed up for free ebook, okay, 100 people, I'm just taking 100 people every day, and if the conversion rate is extremely less, let's say 1%, if 1% has decided to go up to this particular area, so your total earning will be $1,000. So your main goal is to drive traffic, to drive that much amount of traffic, so that you get 100 .com secret free trial. And again, if you are generating 100 .com secret trial, you are generating $100, means $1 for single particular ebook secret book, and $1. So for 100 customers you are generating $100. This is pretty awesome, and this just an projection. You can earn way more than that, guys. Anyway, So if you think like how you can do the same thing, as I said, what you have to do, you have to simply build a landing page, you have to integrate your funnel, and you have to just drive traffic. And there are plenty of ways. In my video, in my channel, I have created a couple of videos where you can drive different of traffic. But if you don't know how to do traffic, if you don't know anything, then also you can just watch some of the videos of YouTube, and you can start driving traffic from Facebook, because Facebook is easiest way to drive for newbies, for those people who don't have money, for those people who don't have any knowledge about Facebook ads. They also can drive traffic from Facebook ads. Even if you don't have money, if you can just go for $5 per day or maybe $10 per day budget, and you can literally make good amount of money. All right, so if you don't know how to create a landing page, how to create a sales page, if you don't know how to drive traffic, if you are a professional affiliate marketer, neither if you are a newbie, if you don't know anything, then I'll recommend you this particular program, Affiliate Bootcamp. This is 100 days massive affiliate marketing training provided by Brunson. He is a great marketer, and yes, you can trust me guys, because I promote only those kind of things which I went through, and which has created a positive impact in my life. To be very honest with you guys, I don't want to make you false commitment, and I do not promote all crappy stuff. So I have given the link in the description, and you can go through this particular training program. If you don't have any idea, or maybe if you are pro, as I said, you can learn lot of things, how you can drive traffic, how you can make a traffic into your buyers, the conversion is the most important part, because there are a lot of people in the internet who has drive traffic and they lost their money, because they didn't had that much amount of potentiality in their landing page to convert the traffic into their visitor or their customer especially. Okay, so you have to learn the game of conversion, and this is the skill. If you think like, if you don't have any idea, there are a lot of resources. Okay, you can go through the resources, and it's just a skill. Okay, so if you think like, maybe for example, you want to buy a car and you don't know how to drive a car, you will learn, right? First you will learn, then you will buy a car. In the same way, if you want to earn money, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, you have to learn from the persons who are best in the particular field, or maybe who are really achieving numbers. Okay, so in this case, I am recommending this particular product, Affiliate Bootcamp. This is 100 days free affiliate marketing. It's completely free guys, you are not paying anything. I have given the link in the description, and you can literally join 100 days challenge, and as they are claiming, you can really retire in 100 days. I personally has gone through this particular training, and it has really impacted in my sales, in my personal career, in my personal traffic strategies, and a lot more guys, to be very honest. And I want to be very true with you guys. Anyway, if you people has got any value in this particular video, let me know in the comment section below. And also, as I said, maybe $1,000 per day, it's really easy, and you can learn, you can really earn like crazy. Let's forget about $1,000 per day. If you are making 2 sales in whole week, in the whole month, maybe if you are selling just eight particular products, like eight sales, and your revenue is nearly around $800, or maybe that, sorry, not 800, it's $8,000. Okay, this is so simple and easy. You have to find out the correct product, and you have to target the correct particular peoples who are willing to buy. Okay, so that's it. So I hope I was able to give you a value in this video. Let me know again if you have any doubts in the comment section below, and yes, make sure just let me know in the comment like from when you are going to utilize the whole strategy. I want to see your success. That's it. So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.